Hello everyone, we are Team Gentech from the Department of Mechatronics Engineering of Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. We are working on the solution for the problem statement detection of hazardous gases that results in the deaths of workers while cleaning sewers and septic tanks. Sanitation work is one of the toughest jobs and there are people who does this job even after knowing the dangers in it. As per the data, deaths of around 48 sanitation workers were recorded in 2022 to 2023. To prevent the deaths caused by inhaling the hazardous gases, we have come up with two components, one being the RC Monitoring Rover and other being the sensors embedded jacket. Our RC Monitoring Rover is designed to monitor the presence of toxic gases in the drainage or septic tanks. The rover is carefully lowered into the tank and controlled to move into the tank. After going in, the rover starts to detect the environment condition within the tank. The integrated GPS, gas and temperature sensor provides the real-time data of the atmosphere inside the tank and will be notified through the mobile application. Only when the conditions are normal, the person is allowed inside. The person is equipped with a jacket which has integrated sensors that also gives the updates of the atmospheric condition inside to both the worker and the supervisor. In case of any abnormalities in the tank condition, the safety system in your jacket would alert both the worker as well as the supervisor outside through the warning kind, hence the worker can be rescued beforehand. Our main motive is to reduce the number of deaths due to this and creating a big difference. Thank you.